Welcome to STEMIEFest. We are so glad that you are joining us for our first virtual conference. Virtual conferences are new to many of us, so we wanted to take a few minutes to show you how to navigate the scheduler. This brief tutorial will show you how to build your schedule, learn about the sessions and presenters, find the Zoom links, and navigate the media cubbies. Start by opening STEMIEFest 2020 Schedule, and then open Schedule on the left-hand side of the top menu bar. Now you can see a list of all the sessions, organized first by day and then in sequence by time. To learn more about a session, hover over the box and you will find a description and the names of the presenters. To add a session to your schedule, just click the box. If you want to know more about a presenter, you can click their name or their profile picture. And this will bring you to their profile to give you a description and a list of all of the sessions that they are involved with. You can check your schedule at any time by clicking your face and selecting My Schedule, or by using the tab on the menu bar. You can email yourself your schedule, or if you have access to a printer, you can also send it to print. When it's time to join a session, the best way to do this is to find the Welcome and Opening Remarks session for each day. Click this Open and locate the yellow Open Zoom box. Just clicking that will bring you to the Zoom room for that day. Be sure to find time to visit the media cubbies. The media cubbies include videos, media, and resources developed by STEMI, inclusion experts, museums, and other organizations who are doing amazing work in the field of early STEM education. You can visit these at any time by going to the Explore and Engage Media Cubbies session for each day. Click it Open, and you'll find a link. Click that link, which will bring you to STEMI's website, where you'll be able to explore each of the cubbies at your leisure. Just click each box, and whatever they have to share will be found inside. Thanks for watching. Enjoy your STEMIEFest adventure.